Hey everybody, welcome to Campground Cuisine. My name is Cindy and thanks for visiting my channel. Y'all, I'm still at my campground down in Ocala and we're having a big time. But guess what? Even down here in the South, we love a good deli sandwich. And today I am gonna fix up a Ruben sandwich. We're talking rye bread, Thousand Island dressing, which I'm making by myself, by the way, some corned beef or pastrami if you're a purist, some Swiss cheese, gonna get it grilled, but we're even taking it a step further, y'all. We're gonna be cooking over a fire pit. We're gonna use my pie iron from my brownie and apple pie episodes, and we're gonna make a Ruben sandwich pocket in the pie iron. So come check it out. We're gonna have a big time. Come and get you some Campground Cuisine. So now the really good, toasty, warm, buttery part of this great grilled classic sandwich is because we get the rye bread, and you wanna get any kind of rye bread. I happen to use the Petridge Farms rye bread. And you wanna have some melted butter so you're not fighting it, because we wanna put a nice, generous slather, if you will, of butter in our space right here, and take it all the way to the corners, because remember, we're gonna be using that pie iron in our first sandwich. And so we wanna make sure we got plenty of butter. Number one, so it doesn't stick, but also so we have it at the entire circle of the pie iron. So I'm gonna get the other one done, and then we're gonna start layering that pie iron and getting it ready to put over the fire. Okay, y'all, we're getting this started. So I've put the first piece of bread that's nicely buttered down on the pie iron. Y'all remember this, it's like a big clam. It opens and closes on itself and can go over the fire. It's cast iron. You can get these at Walmart, of course, Amazon, all kinds of different places. They're not hard to find. So we've got that on there. Now we've got the Swiss cheese we're gonna put nicely on here. And oh my goodness, this is gonna melt and it's gonna be so good. And we're just gonna get a little bit of this sauerkraut, depending on how much you like. We don't want it too wet, but we're gonna put it right in there. Oh yeah. Okay. And now the second piece, because we got all the major parts. We want the second piece, because it's going on the sauerkraut, it's gonna have the dressing on it. So we don't want to glob it too much on the sauerkraut. It's gonna go just on the other side of this bread. So now we're gonna get the dressing that we made and get it nice in the middle, because remember, this is just gonna be a disc sandwich, so it doesn't have to go all the way to the sides, because the squirrels are fixing to have some rye bread. Okay. Look at that, come on. So we come in with the hook, and that's gonna hook onto, sometimes I'm better in the air, sometimes I'm not. Okay, so now we want this to spin around a skosh, kind of line this up, squeeze down. Okay, and now we'll just kind of use this to poke off the extra for the squirrels. Maybe Scout, our wonder dog, will get some, who knows. And now we've got this disc. And so we'll put the little clamp on here, slide it up. Come on, clamp. There we go. We're gonna come over here to the fire, and we don't have a huge fire pit to work on, so I'm gonna put this little grate across here so that I can rest the pie iron over the heat. So we'll take a few minutes to let this cook on each side, and we'll check it in just a minute. We'll be right back. Okay, y'all, we got some extra crispies on the side here, so I'm just going to kind of push those off, clean up this a little bit. All right, so let's get that bite. Okay, the moment we've all been waiting for. Let's kind of sneak up in there. Ooh, beautiful. Turn loose that cheese. My goodness. Yes. Oh my goodness. All right, we're going to start cutting on here. Ooh, look at that cheese oozing through. Yum. Oh my goodness, the meat, the cheese, like you see it peeking through right there, the sauerkraut, Thousand Island dressing, it's all good to go. It'll be another moment on these bites, y'all. It's still super hot, but I wanted to go ahead and get it cut so we could start cooling a little bit. Oops. There we go. Okay, we'll be back in just a moment after we get this cut up for a little tasting. We'll see you.
Oh my God.
Good?
So good.
Yeah?
I couldn't wait.
Just doing a little too much smoky. It's time for the magic, y'all. I'm so excited. I love a Ruben sandwich. So to be able to bring this North delicatessen treat out on a pie iron in the woods, cooking over fire, that's super cool. So cheers.
Good, huh?
If you love a Ruben, you're gonna love a fire Ruben, a pie iron Ruben. So y'all, come get you some Campground Cuisine. Enjoy this great fireplace treat. You can even make it on your fire pit at home. It's just kind of a fun way to do a classic a different way. So y'all take care and have some fun.